Creating compelling content starts with your story, but capturing it clearly, smoothly, and professionally, that's where the right camera makes all the difference. Whether you're documenting your travels, producing content for clients, or simply building a more polished personal brand, a reliable vlogging camera helps bring your vision to life. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best vlogging cameras available right now, each chosen for different needs, styles, and shooting scenarios. From lightweight on-the-go options to more advanced setups for studio work, we've got something for every type of creator. Stick around to the end to find out which one fits your workflow best. Let's get started. Kicking things off is the GoPro HERO 13. And if you're all about capturing the most extreme, fast-moving content, this camera is absolutely for you. The HERO 13 keeps GoPro's legacy alive and thriving with its 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, giving you razor-sharp detail, even in high-motion shots. You'll practically see the hair standing on the back of your neck as you jump off that cliff in Mexico, if that's what you're into. One standout feature of the HERO 13 is its support for HB series lenses. They're fully compatible, which means you can unlock a wider field of view, pushing the boundaries of your frame to capture every thrilling detail with edge-to-edge clarity. The removable 1900 mAh Enduro battery delivers superior cold weather performance and extends shooting time in extreme conditions, depending on its usage, of course. Additionally, GoPro's Auto Boost feature dynamically adjusts stabilization, maximizing smoothness without cropping too much out of the frame. This is perfect for fast-moving vloggers looking to create their next viral moment. Plus, and we really can't forget to mention, GoPro has stepped up their stabilization game even further with HyperSmooth 6.0, ensuring buttery smooth footage no matter how chaotic your adventures get. This will take things like challenge videos to the next level. Another key upgrade of the HERO 13 is its improved low-light performance, which delivers sharper nighttime footage with better contrast and detail. That means capturing evening cityscapes or after-dark adventures without compromising quality. Additionally, the camera features hydrophobic lens coating, repelling water droplets for clearer visuals when shooting in wet conditions. Oh, and the camera is generally waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters, straight out of the box. No extra housing needed. Take it underwater, capture vibrant reef footage, or handle accidental splashes without stress. This camera is built to withstand everyday use without compromising performance. The camera also supports wireless audio recording via Bluetooth, letting you use AirPods or other wireless mics for cleaner voice capture without extra gear. So, for vloggers, influencers, and filmmakers who love the outdoors, extreme sports, or are keen to share their travel projects, the HERO 13 is an absolute powerhouse. For vloggers who want something compact, portable, and ridiculously fun, the Insta360 GO 3S is a game changer. This camera is tiny, it's about the size of your thumb, but still packs a punch with 4K video recording, which is a major upgrade from its predecessor, though it should be noted that recording is limited to 30 frames per second. One of the best features? Magnetic mounting. This means you can attach it to your shirt, a car, your lab's collar, pretty much anywhere. FlowState Stabilization ensures shake-free shots, and with 140 minutes of battery life, it's got enough juice for a full day of vlogging. Just imagine what you could create with something this small and flexible. Another key enhancement is the horizon lock, which keeps footage perfectly level even when the camera tilts or rotates, a huge advantage for high-motion vloggers. Additionally, it now supports loop recording mode, allowing it to continuously record and overwrite footage, making it ideal for capturing unpredictable moments without worrying about storage space. You can also set specific breaks with the interval video mode. This will automatically turn the camera on, record, or power off. That's great for capturing hands-free content. We know what you're thinking. How can you view your footage if your camera isn't within reach? That's why the Action Pod is there. This wireless remote has a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen that enhances creative control. There's also AI-powered auto editing capabilities that can be used to effortlessly create evocative highlight reels based on your footage. While everything is still within your command, this could significantly reduce post-production time. And yes, it's fully waterproof, up to 10 meters. It makes the Insta360 GO 3S a smart little camera for the rain, the pool, or water sports. If you need a camera that's ultralight, versatile, and ideal for creative, POV-style shooting, the GO 3S is hard to beat. Now we're stepping into serious filmmaker territory. The Panasonic LUMIX GH7 is a mirrorless micro 4/3 camera built for those who want cinematic quality vlogs with pro-level control. Quentin Tarantino may not be a fan of digital cameras, but even he couldn't deny how advanced this thing is for its price point. This camera offers unlimited 422 10-bit 4K recording up to 60 frames per second, giving you incredible depth and color range. The enhanced real-time LUT system allows you to apply color grades directly in camera, perfect if you love a signature aesthetic without hours of post-production. It's also equipped with a 25.2 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor. The GH7 delivers detailed and high-quality images, enhancing both photo and video content. Another highlight is its dual native ISO, allowing clean, noise-free footage in both bright and low-light settings without sacrificing dynamic range. For vloggers who shoot extended footage, the Panasonic LUMIX GH7 is armed with unlimited recording with no overheating, thanks to an advanced heat dissipation system. It also offers phase hybrid autofocus, combining contrast and phase detection for fast, reliable subject tracking. Its real-time recognition of subjects such as humans, animals, cars, motorcycles, trains, and airplanes ensures sharp, attentive footage even in complex scenes. And when you're filming high-intensity scenes or even living a little dangerously, the rugged, sealed body of the GH7 gives it an impressive layer of protection. The Panasonic LUMIX GH7 has another impressive element worth mentioning, and that's the Apple ProRes RAW support and 32-bit float recording. If you're editing high-end content and need every ounce of detail, this camera is made for it. And it's Adobe Cloud compatible, which makes workflow integration and streamlining post-production processes a breeze. All of this should give you some idea that this is a premium camera that may not be suitable for casual vloggers. But if you're really serious and treat content creation like a film project or are on the way to becoming the next Spielberg, this is your best bet. By the way, if you're curious about any of the prices for these vlogging cameras, be sure to check out the links in the description below. They'll point you in the right direction. And while you're at it, if you're learning something here, drop us a like. Okay, let's get right back to it, as there are two more cameras we definitely need to tell you about. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is arguably the most well-rounded vlogging camera in this video. In fact, it may just be the best for most people's needs. If you want a lightweight, easy-to-use camera with pro-level quality, this is your match. The biggest selling point here is the 1-inch CMOS sensor, which delivers stunning 4K, 120 frames per second video and cinematic low-light performance in a pocket-sized form. The 3-axis stabilization is next level. Whether you're walking, running, or filming handheld, your footage will stay smooth. One of our favorite features? Face and object tracking. It makes everything so much easier. The Osmo Pocket 3 automatically locks onto subjects, keeping them in focus without needing constant adjustments, meaning your attention can be on your subject and not on whatever else is going on in the background. Additionally, it features a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen, allowing vloggers to easily adjust settings or preview shots from multiple angles without flipping the camera. And again, that full-pixel fast-focusing technology ensures rapid and precise focusing, even when transitioning between subjects in a scene or switching between horizontal and vertical modes. And because of those modes, this camera suits various content platforms, including smartphones and tablets. Its advanced microphone system gives you the type of immersive sound recording that basically drags your viewers into your world, and it connects directly to up to 2 DJI Mic 2 TXs. For such a little and flexible device, that's pretty impressive. Oh, and one more thing. Glamour Effects 2.0 lets you apply real-time beauty filters with customizable options, so you always look exactly how you want, effortlessly polished and camera-ready. For vloggers who love handheld shooting, enjoy various shooting modes, and want something compact but powerful, this is one of the best options available. Finally, we have the Sony ZV-E1, a full-frame mirrorless camera tailor-made for vloggers who want Hollywood-level image quality in a compact setup. This camera is 4K 60p and upgradable to 120p. Its full-frame 12.1 megapixel sensor delivers stunning depth of field, giving your footage a rich, theatrical quality. The cinematic experience is elevated even further by opting for a 24 frames per second frame rate, creating that timeless, movie-like flow. Paired with the dramatic CinemaScope aspect ratio, 2.35:1, complete with black letterbox bands framing your shot, this combination transforms your footage into a true visual masterpiece. This will undoubtedly capture both the style and emotion of your biggest creative visions. You can even transform your live events or meetings into something movie-worthy by connecting the ZV-E1 to your computer or smartphone via USB. With breathing compensation, focus shifts between foreground and background remain buttery and seamless, eliminating distractions for what is absolutely a more professional look. And thanks to AI-powered autofocus, subjects stay razor-sharp, no matter how much movement is happening in the frame. Its human pose estimation technology means it can even follow a subject facing away from the camera. Another huge plus? Sony's industry-leading low-light performance. If you vlog indoors, at night, or in unpredictable lighting, this camera outperforms nearly everything else on the market in its class. The camera boasts a 15+ stop dynamic range, preserving details in both highlights and shadows, making it a top choice for vloggers who need high-quality post-production flexibility. So, here's the bottom line. If you're looking for the absolute best vlogging camera that blends cinematic quality, pro-level features, and ease of use, the Sony ZV-E1 is the clear winner. Thanks for staying with us. If you've made it this far, you probably have a better idea of which vlogging camera will best suit your needs. If so, be sure to drop a like. It really does go a long way. And for all the relevant links, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.